Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download and install Body AI application on your mobile device. To download and install Body AI, first of all open up your Google Play Store or your App Store on your smartphone. Now, go to the search icon at the bottom right and in the search box at the top type in Body AI. Look for this application from mybody.ai and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Now wait for a couple of minutes and then after the app gets downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open up the app on your device. And that is how you can easily download and install Body AI application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.